haven't talked to you in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little producer. Okay, well we've done 4 web shows so far. Yes, that's a lot.
Yes.
And this is our 5th spectacular. And we're going to ask you a question.
What's the question?
You shall see.
You shall know.
Do you like waffles?
Yeah, we like waffles.
Do you like pancakes?
Yeah, we like pancakes.
Do you like French toast?
Yeah, we like French toast.
Can't wait to get a mouthful.
Yes, I like waffles.
Do you like pancakes?
Yeah, I like pancakes.
Do you like French toast?
Yes, I like French toast. Yeah.
End
Do you
it.
like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like
Not that one.
pancakes?
Yeah, I like